Over the last decade, as the Indian economy has become even more oriented towards services, and in the manufacturing sector, our manufacturing boom has been, say, in more sophisticated products such as pharmaceuticals, such as light industrial manufacturing. South India, with its higher, greater sort of literacy orientation, right? A higher proportion of literate people, greater access to seaports, greater ability to give law and order, provide law and order to factories, they have surged ahead of the north. So if you look at the per capita income data coming from the government, states like Telangana, per capita income has almost doubled in 5 years, right? Absolute explosion of prosperity.
Really? Telangana doubling of per capita income?
Yeah, so per capita income, Telangana is now $4,200. That's almost second world, pushing towards second world status. Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, I would even include Maharashtra in the southern seven, right? So if you take Maharashtra, Goa, and then go all the way down to the southern states, per capita income is now 50-60% higher than the rest of the country. Wow. And the way we are trying to monetize that is finding companies which are over-indexed to South India, right? So I'll give you an obvious example and a slightly less obvious example. So an obvious example would be a company called Rainbow Hospitals. This is a maternity and pediatric chain, which we invested in a few months ago. 17 hospitals spread across South India. And the reason it caught our eye was for typical child delivery, Rainbow charges 2 lakhs for a birth. In Mumbai itself, you'll struggle to get above 40-50,000. But in South India, 2 lakhs per birth in the 17 hospitals that Rainbow has, typical hospital has 200 to 300 beds. It's not a problem because women are earning more than men in the tech sector. There's industry surveys showing women are earning more than men.
When you talk about Rainbow, healthcare, that's kind of marrying two of these trends that you identified. South India being really affluent.
That's right.
And women dominating a lot of the decision making. So women are doing well, the South is doing well as per a lot of the data and research that you put together. Again, the same question. So how do we play these themes?
I think one of the most straightforward ways to profit from women's prosperity is Nestle, right? It's not just premium infant milk powder. And they've in fact premiumized it even more after COVID. They're also launching a range of products. For example, launching fruit purees for infants called Gerber, G-E-R-B-E-R. So this has been sold in the West by Nestle for decades. Last year they announced they're bringing it to India. This is expensive stuff, but as the Indian woman's income skyrockets, she wants the best for her child.